everybody, how's it going today? I'm back here with the Honda, and I want to see if something works. This right here, I want to see if this will fit the way it's supposed to. This is for my hood prop rod. That's what it fits into on the one end. And so I'm going to see if this is the right size like it's supposed to be. So let's check it out. Okay, and right there is where it needs to go. Okay, so this looks like it's gonna fit in there, and there we go. It fits. Great. Now, hold the hood open with one hand and put this in with the other. It's not working out so well. Okay, I'm gonna get something to help me. Okay. Put a piece of wood right there to help me out. And let's try this again. There we go. Nice. That works pretty good. And so, as you can see, that turned out really good. And then the other end fits right into there. So, I'm really happy with that. All right, let's shut this thing up. See you guys. Have a great day.